It's time to make a sketchy cut, sketchy cut, sketchy cut. It's time to make a sketchy cut. Let's see how it goes. So I got this 31-inch pantry wide that I am needing to shrink to 19 inches wide with the new rail. So the inside's actually going to be a little bit less. So I got my marks for where I need to cut the shelf and the top and the bottom, where the new plywood's going to go on the side. Then I got to cut the rails and then make the new style and put that in. Where's my extension cord? There it is. So you're going to go all the way through. Maximum depth. Here goes nothing. See if I push on this. This is going to... All right. Well, that was a little scary. 2 more times.